What's up, man? We back up in this thing. Another one of them things. So yeah, today I have no destination. I have no. We just winging it. I ain't got nothing going on, so I might go down to the shop or something. I ain't sure. I don't know. Cause I ain't in work today. I ain't got nothing going on. Wasn't nothing going on at the job, so yeah. See, got me a little working station over here, man. I got never mind these shades, they trash. But I got my little GoPro battery set up with the pocket juice to the phone. And I'm on the camera. Just brought baby something to eat. And I'm about to head back towards the house, but I ain't sure if I'm gonna stay there. I need to go and meet with the guy that does my work now. Does my sweatsuits and stuff. My merch. And try to see, has he finished the finished the design for these t-shirts I'm about to drop, man. So yeah, I need to go tap in with him on that and get some t-shirts going. And these t-shirts, I think how I want to do them, they're only going to come in, I think 3 colors, maybe 2. I ain't sure. But yeah, they're going to be limited, man. So I'm about to grab these, and once they're gone, they're gone. I'll have to move on to something else. Boy, got a scoop hood on a charger. But yeah, man, I'm finna ride for a little second, get on back to the crib, man. So if something else pop off, y'all know I'm gonna pick this camera, man, let y'all know what's going on. So, man, I almost feel like there used to be a funeral home or something. I almost really feel like that. But anyway, I need to go to Harbor Freight. I think I said that in the last video. I need to go to Harbor Freight. Let's see what they got in there. But anyway, man, y'all hold it down. See y'all in a second. Yeah, man. Down here at the shop, drinking my good sparkling water. I ain't putting the name out there yet, cause they gonna have to show me something before I be putting them in the videos, man. I'm a little bigger than I was last week. But anyway, down here with old Memphis Mike, man. What it is? Dog Memphis Mike. I was on the phone, y'all, and it sounds like he's lying.
You drinking beer this morning?
I don't know, bro.
What is that?
Sparkling water. You might say feminine. Yeah, I'm drinking feminine water, but it sounds like you're lying. You're lying from. I'm finna walk up here and see what's going on up in this shizza. Memphis Mike in the Lego car. Memphis Mike got a Lego car. Lego car. Hurry up, man, my battery low.
What they got to do with me?
You're in my way. y'all, we back. We bike with the Chevy. I gotta finish up. Finish up some little wiring and what else I gotta do? Finish up the wiring, and I think now she wants the seats and stuff out, so I gotta take them out. The interior stuff, take all this stuff out. She wants the dash out too? I'ma just take the seats out. I'ma just take the seats out. Seats and carpet. But yeah, man. You got big old rear ends in here, man. Let's see what's going on. Big old LT off in the Bonneville. I guess he trying to do something in the Bonneville. Got the donk. He swapped yet? Look like it. The donk swap yet? Looks as if. No, it's not. This is it? I can't tell. I don't think this swapped yet. Nah, hell no, it ain't. Donk on the rack. Memphis. But, yeah, so I'm gonna piddle around up in here, man, to see what we got going on, and I'll hit y'all back, man, when the going gets good. Come get me something to eat, man. So we finna roll to cold tips, man. Roll up here to some Coldens, man. Let y'all see what's going on up in here. I don't know if y'all got Coldens in y'all area where y'all be, whatever. It's a steakhouse. It's pretty good. Man, this light ever change? I'm gonna go as soon as the light ever change. I promise. Should've got me some Starbucks today. I just charged up my other GoPro battery because I don't know why my GoPro batteries are like. Sometimes I don't know what's up with GoPro batteries, man. Sometimes it's terrible. Man, what's today? Tuesday? Why is this place packed like this? It must be lunchtime. Yeah, it's lunchtime. Still, man, they got a full house, man. Here we go, man. Colton Steakhouse and Grill. Park this old Firebird, man. Yep. And I'm gonna pick this camera back up, man, when I get on the inside. You know? Park this thing. Yeah, man. Y'all hear, as y'all probably can already hear, they got this music on, so yeah, I ain't finna keep this camera on long. We up in here though. No, just one.
You said bar or you said table booth?
Type booth, man.
You know which one you started off with to drink?
Yeah, I have sparkling water. Okay, water.
You'll do. I'm bringing you.
Oh, yeah.
I'm bringing off some straws down.
Oh, thank you. I brought me.
Alright, y'all been ready to order?
I got the itis now, y'all. Boy, I want to go to sleep so bad. got some darker tint, man. Ooh, I lay back. It'll be over. It will be old. I need to find my receipt book. I don't know my receipt book. I don't know if I'm finna cut the video right here or what, man. God. Nah, I wish I would have been up there though. I'd let y'all seen that truck.